you got your windshield and your rear glass in. All body panels including bed must remain in factory position. So I can see. Eye in the sky, here we go. You ready to go racing? Let's go over the
And where are you from?
Ballston Spa, New York.
You ever raced at the Freedom Factory before?
Once today.
Hell yeah! Hey, congratulations! Right now, you're unofficially in first place, and you'll be racing in Lane Wolf. We're gonna check out your truck, make sure it's dialed in. Congrats! I'm gonna go talk to our second place finisher. Sir, we gotta interview you real quick. What's your full name?
Archibald Waller.
Where are you from?
Texas.
Yeah, Houston, Texas. Hell yeah. Hey, you ever raced at the Freedom Factory before?
Nope, only car shows.
That's awesome. So our top two guys never been here before. Are you a circle track racer or?
No, first time.
Yeah, that's crazy. So we got two guys who, don't really do this for professional sport or anything, coming out, building their own Ford Rangers, and they are going to be racing in the 2.4 hours of Lake Wolf. So, super good, guys. We're going to close it off there. A huge shout out to Summit Racing. Let me make sure I'm not missing anything. Alan, am I missing anything or can I close it? Close it up. Thank you guys so much at home for watching. Thank you